Hi guys, this is John from Meatgistics University, and this is Meat Processing Equipment 102, Sausage Stuffers. Sausage stuffers are the best way to take a ground product and get it into a casing or meat bag. They can be vertical, horizontal, hand crank, electric, hydraulic, or even vacuum powered. For the purposes of this video, we're going to talk about operation of a Walton's dual speed hand crank stuffer. These stuffers are orientated vertically and are hand crank powered. The canisters hold 7, 11, 26, or even 33 pounds of meat. These stuffers have two gears, one on the bottom that's designed for stuffing and the one above so that it can be used quickly to remove your piston out of the canister. The canister is secured to the frame by 4 brackets, 2 on each side. The bottom bracket supports the weight of the canister during the stuffing from the vertical pressure of the piston. The top ones lock them in. To load your canister, crank the piston so it's all the way up out of the canister, and then tilt your canister backwards, leaving it resting on the bottom 2 brackets. Then fill your canister with whatever you're wanting to stuff and push it back in so it locks in place with these top 2 brackets. Make sure your piston is securely attached to the rack and that the piston gasket, which is this plastic piece, is orientated correctly. You'll have a part that extends a little bit further down than the rest of it, and that should be on the outside facing down. There's also an air valve in the piston that's going to make sure that any air trapped in the canister is able to freely escape and won't make it down into your casing. Attach your hand crank to the lower of the 2 gears on the side and begin cranking. As you crank, the gears will turn and push the rack and piston down through the canister, and that's going to force any meat that you have in there down through the tube and out into your casing or meat bag. The size of your stuffing tube and casing will play a large part in how much effort it takes to turn your crank. The larger the tube, the easier it will be to crank, as there'll be less resistance. Now, the fat content, water content, and other factors also play a large role in this. Walton sausage stuffers are made from stainless steel and zinc-coated aluminum. They come with 4 different size stainless steel stuffing tubes, a 12 millimeter, a 16, a 22, and a 38. A 10 millimeter is also available for purchase for stuffing smaller size snack sticks. Just remember, the smaller the tube, the more force that will be required to crank the handle. If you're stuffing by yourself, try clamping it down to a table. It'll make it easier and prevent it from rocking back and forth. Now, if you do decide to purchase a Walton sausage stuffer, then I would recommend you pick up some white oil for lubricating and an extra gasket. As this is a wear part, they're inexpensive, and without one, you're not able to do anything until the replacement arrives. Another good thing to pick up are some stuffing tube brushes. These make cleaning the inside of your stuffing tubes a lot easier. You're not going to spray anything that's left out in there. You really do need to find a way to go ahead and get that cleaned. If someone's looking to make their own homemade fresh sausage, a stuffer might be the first thing I'd recommend. You can purchase already ground meat, mix in your seasonings, and then stuff them into casings, and you're done. If you're making cured products, you'll probably need a few other pieces of equipment, but a stuffer is still a very important part of any sausage making kit. Walton's 7, 11, 26, and 33 pound stuffers all come with a 1-year warranty. As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and visit waltonsinc.com and meatgistics.com to find everything about the meat. Thanks for watching. I'm John with Meatgistics University, and I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe to Walton's YouTube channel to watch more amazing videos, or shop at waltonsinc.com to find everything about the meat. Check out our latest sales and giveaway video here, or watch another hand-picked video by clicking here.